Hello everyone, in this video today I am going to show you how to reduce or compress PDF file using Nitro Pro. Okay, this is our PDF file. We will check our file size properties. This is our file size 300 to 40 KB. Okay, open this PDF file with Nitro Pro and click file option. Then we will find optimize PDF. Click and click reduce file size, then click optimize. Our file size 300 to 40 KB and reduces file 109 KB. Okay, click accept. This is our file. Save as, browse, desktop, file out. This is our file. We have created reduces file. Click properties, KB. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.